With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, question says a particle is projected from level ground near the surface of Earth with initial velocity u is equal to ux unit vector I plus uy unit vector j as shown in figure. If ax, ay are the components of acceleration in horizontal and vertically downward directions, then match the following column. First, we will discuss projectile motion. In projectile motion, the horizontal component of velocity is constant, which is always equal to ux, and vertical component of velocity is equal to uy minus gt. So, it is an example of non-uniform motion. So, A is matched with S. Now we will discuss B. A block sliding on the smooth horizontal surface is an example of uniform motion. Because acceleration is 0 and velocity is constant. So, option B is matched with P. Now we will discuss uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, objects move in a circular path with constant speed. But always centrifugal acceleration acting towards the center. So, centripetal acceleration is constant. So, it is a uniform accelerated motion. Hence, option C is matched with option Q, and C is matched with Q. Now we will discuss D. Swing of pendulum. In swing of pendulum, acceleration is directly proportional to minus x. X is displacement from the mean position. So it is a motion with non-uniform acceleration. So it is matched with column 2R. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.